This is my favorite lily. Today, I'll share tips on planting, caring for, and propagating lilies. Look at their many leaves and their tall, thick stems. It feels like they were born to be cut flowers. They are a strong variety. You can cut off half or even 2/3 of the plant without any problems because they have plenty of leaves. But don't cut all of them off. If you cut everything, there won't be any leaves left for photosynthesis. How would you care for the bulb then? We take good care of the bulb, and it gives us more and more offspring each year. For lilies, you don't want to cut. Try to keep as much of the flower stem as possible, so it can continue photosynthesizing, providing nutrients to the bulb. The best way to prevent it from making seeds is to break off the flower seed capsule. The lilies we plant are usually horticultural varieties, and their seeds won't grow into lilies. Also, every year the mother bulb produces so many offshoots that you don't need to use seeds to grow more. So, just break off the seed capsules and let it direct all its nutrients to the bulb, instead of wasting energy on making seeds. For potted lilies, place them in a sunny spot so the leaves can photosynthesize. Now, let's talk about how to fertilize after flowering. After removing the spent flowers, you need to promptly replenish nutrients to help the bulb recover and grow larger. Use fertilizer that's high in phosphorus and potassium during the bulb care period. Control watering to avoid excess moisture in the soil, which can cause the bulb to rot. Water according to the soil's dryness or wetness in the hot summer months. For potted lilies, you can cover the top of the soil to keep the bulb cool and comfortable in the pot. If you can do this, that would be ideal. Remember to leave plenty of leaves, give it lots of sunlight, and fertilize well. After the lily blooms, I remove its stamen. Why remove the stamen? There are 2 reasons. First, it can prolong the blooming period. After the lily blooms, it consumes more nutrients, which shortens the blooming time. By removing the stamen after the flowers open, you can avoid this and keep the flowers vibrant for longer, thus extending the flowering time. Have you learned these lily cultivation tips?